Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Zipcard online. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the Zip application or visit the official Zip website and log into your account. If you're new to the platform, you'll first need to register and complete the account verification process. After approval, Zip gives you access to a virtual payment card that can be used for eligible online purchases. Many websites already support Zip directly during checkout, so keep an eye out for a Zip payment option when placing an order. You can also explore stores that support Zip by visiting the shopping section inside the app. And when you're ready to make a purchase, choose the option to pay using your Zip card. The app will create a temporary virtual card containing a card number, expiration date, and security code for that transaction. Copy the virtual card information and enter it into the online checkout page the same way you would use a regular debit card or credit card. After the payment is submitted, Zip reviews and processes the order instantly. If approved, the total purchase amount is divided into 4 smaller payments with no interest charges. The first installment is paid immediately, while the remaining payments are automatically scheduled every 2 weeks. You can monitor your purchases, upcoming payment dates, and remaining balance anytime inside the activity or order section of the Zip app. Zip also sends reminders before each installment is due, and you always have the option to pay off the balance early without extra fees. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.